I wanted to share a bit of my modifications regarding the Leatherman Crunch. As I said on previous videos, the the tools that the Leatherman Crunch comes with are very limited, and as a matter of fact, it comes with three different flat screwdrivers, as you can see it, a big one, a medium, and a small one. I believe this would be size 1, this is size 2, and this is over size 3 in flat screwdrivers. And regarding the Phillips screwdriver, as you, I don't know if you can see it, but it it wore out the first time I used it. This is a terribly low quality one. Okay. Um, After I purchased it, excuse me, I found out the Leatherman Crunch had these hex um, big driver. So what I thought is that I should buy a set of drill bits and do my own personal um, uh, modification of my Leatherman Crunch. So what I intended to do was to use this extender and use a set of the small ones, of the small drill bits. This particular, this is, I believe this is made in Taiwan. I don't remember the brand, but you can get them in a lot better quality in Craftsman, and very good quality also made by Black & Decker. These are the longer ones that you can use. These actually are a lot more comfortable to use because of the length, but I fear that this might take some weight that I didn't really need. So what I did was to get the cheap set, which is the one that you have already seen, the Taiwanese one, this set, and extract a belt. Actually, most of these come with belts, and what I did was to get this speed loader and the belt, and I loaded 3 standard number 1, 2, and 3 Phillips screwdrivers, another 3 on PC1, PC2, and PC3, 2 Torx, and 1 square. I don't know the exact name, should be called square. And what I tend to do is, because of the fact that my Leatherman Crunch came with the leather, with the original leather sheath, then I'm going to show you this one. There is not much room to fit anything on it. So what I did was use an old Victorinox sheet that comes with all this another uses. This is a sharpening stone and a pencil on this side, a compass and everything. What I'm planning to do is use this sheet to fit my Leatherman Crunch here, and hopefully get this bit, this set of bits. So I'll tell you about that in a minute. What I should do is cut the belt. So let's do it. Let's do it. This will do it. And from this side, this will do it. There you go. All set. get the bits here, get the Leatherman here, and there you go. My new Leatherman in its new sheet. I forgot to say something. In fact is that I might be able to fit this speed loader somewhere here, probably here. Let's see if I can do that. There you go. And I'll put this one here. There you go. And the tool set should be completed because the flat drivers are on the Leatherman. The Phillips screwdrivers are here, which are the least used, and this should do it. And actually, because of the length of the sheet, I might be able to keep the Leatherman with the bolt a little bit out. There you go. Unlike what you can do here on the Leatherman, you cannot close it, as you can see. So there you go.